Hey, how are you going? Today we'll be drawing this love bug character. Very easy to draw. All you need is a marker, some colour and some paper. Let's get started. In the middle of the page we're going to start drawing a line here and stop there. So this will be the bottom of the love bug. Then we're going to draw a semicircle up top. Just like that, so that's the main body. Next we're going to draw another curved line, starting from here, do a nice curve and then go down. And this is going to separate the head from the body. Next thing we're going to draw is draw legs. So we're going to draw some 6 legs, so it's to start in the middle here, and it's just a simple owl shape. So we draw one here, another one there, and a few more. Next we'll draw the face, and first of all we're going to draw some eyes. So, nice big round eye. And you can colour in the pupils there as well. Just like that. Then we draw a mouth. Simple mouth, this is a big U shape. We'll close off the top there. And we draw another curve in there for his tongue. And next thing we're going to draw on the top here is his little antennas. And what that is a basic ladybug, but this is a love bug. So instead of spots, we're going to draw some hearts. So you can just draw some hearts randomly on the body. And there we go, there is our love bug. Next step is to colour in. And we've finished colouring in, very easy to colour in. I've just made one red and with black spots, but you can make it other colours. Maybe it is pink spots or green spots, really up to you. Hope you followed along and had lots of fun drawing. Check out our channel, we've got lots of other drawing videos that we post every day of the week. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!